Hello. So, I want to start reading this book, Fluid Mechanics by Chengel. I have read some part of it before when I first took this course, Fluid Mechanics, and I want to give myself some kind of a challenge to read this book. And my aim is, as I read, I'll be documenting or taking notes or summarizing what I've been reading and share with you here on YouTube. It's kind of a fluid mechanics series, kind of. So I want to share this with you, those of you who are following me, as you know, something as for you to motivate me to read. It's a huge book. It's a huge book. It's almost 1,000 pages. So I will be reading it and try and be summarizing some of the things that I've read here with you. So that's it. I don't know how many times I can upload during a week, maybe once or twice. As you might have known, I'm a student. I just started mechanical engineering, so I just want to refresh my mind of these things before I continue. I'm a graduate student, so tell me anytime I post something and you think I made a mistake. Always know that you have the freedom to let me know. I can cross check. We are all learning. By learning we grow and we become better. So hey, please stay tuned. Thank you very much. Bye bye.